made it into our Airbnb. This is Rory and Steele's room. What do you think, girl? Minnie Mouse? Fun. Cool. You got a fan? Oh, that's a fun princess pillow. All right, I'm gonna go help mommy.
I need to show mommy.
It's pretty cool.
Mommy!
So cool. All right, we're jumping over branches. There you go, Steele. You can jump over that.
Yeah.
That's pretty high. Knee high.
No, I can't.
There you go, buddy. Hey, Rory, you put it up too high. You're gonna do a flip over it. Oh, ouch. You okay?
Breaker's like, let me at it. I want to do it.
Yeah, just do a somersault, not a flip. Do a somersault, buddy. How's your cherry, buddy? Do you have a cherry? Cherry snack? Oh, that's the seed part. We were on the seed. What is it, Rory? Is it any good or is it kind of sour? Oh, good job. You can throw the seed on the ground. You can eat the rest. Nice. Yum.
Daddy, guess what?
What?
I chewed up the seed and I swallowed it.
Oh, why?
Because.
That's.
Bad. Now a tree's gonna grow out of you.
How do you know?
Mom.
Is that true?
Jokey, silly mommy. No, you're safe.
You're true. Yeah, that's not true. Right, Mom? I'm not gonna. Dad, can we get one for Mommy?
Sure. Oh, Romy found a blueberry
What's that?
on the blueberry bush.
You eat half and Steele eats half.
Here, buddy.
Here.
Rory's got one for you.
Half.
Rory's got one for you.
Oh, nope, he found one.
Oh,
Great,
okay.
Go ahead.
We got cherries and blueberries. What a wonderful house. Wow. That's gonna be it for us for tonight.
As she twirls around, Barbie chooses a dress with flowers. She looks really pretty.
See you tomorrow. Good night.